We'll use a protractor to measure an angle. To use a protractor to measure an angle, we notice that the angle has two sides. We find on the protractor a place near the bottom where a vertical line intersects a horizontal line, and for this protractor that's marked with a circle. That intersection of lines, or circle, is placed at the vertex of the angle, and one side of the angle is lined up with the horizontal line. The horizontal line goes through it's marked with two numbers on my protractor, 0 and 180. There are two scales you can use, and the appropriate scale to use is the one that starts with 0, where your one line goes through the protractor. So that's the inner scale. So I follow that scale up until I find where the other side of the angle is seen under the protractor. That is the other line goes through at 35 degrees on that scale. So the measure of this angle is 35 degrees.